running that during the dark?
It's usually preset.
It's on a tripod usually.
That's right. Did you see did you see the toy book? Look at it. Did you see the camera mounts for on top of the ski pylon?
There's no light. Can I use a flashlight?
Pull in here.
Just a replay so it's falling off.
What are you doing? Come behind me, Stace. This is my puppy.
Oh, sorry, if you're using it for that, I can turn it up brighter and just put it on the lowest setting.
That's okay. Pickles, you snore really, really loud.
Let's do that to Amy tonight. Amy, you snore really, really loud.
As you're shining the light in her eyes.
I'm thinking sticking the camera up her nose.
Can you see her in that, Amy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Push it again, there you go.
Oh, there we go. Oh, she's okay.
Porno movies.
She's so asleep.
One camera, one light, 2 actors.
Don't leave it on the...
What's the dog and when is it?
Watch it.
He's yelling.
That's
He's watched
nasty.
all the Girls Gone Wild. We'll leave this one for him. Dog Gone Wild.
This looks like Dad's sleeping. So Dad, if you're watching this, this is what you look like while you're asleep. Sorry.
Is the dog drooling?
Nope. Oh, I'm sorry.
Why are my arms burning?
She's got peas on.
That's what that was. No, like right around my arm.